pepperoni pizza on the ZGrills. That's right, it's getting heated up right now. What we're doing, I went and bought a 5-cheese pizza. Mozzarella cheese, provolone, Monterey Jack, Parmesan, and Romano cheese. I've only had one of these that I fixed up this way. Yeah, it has no pepperoni on it. Because I wanted all that cheese. And this is an 18-inch. We're going to be going without the pizza stone. And then what did I do? I bought my own pepperoni sliced up right there. And we're going to feel the goodness on top of the pizza. Because the pepperoni pizza doesn't freaking have all that cheese goodness on it. And this turns out awesome. It's about a 15-minute cook. Get the ZGrills up. When we get up to temp, we'll be back. That is a massive pizza. It's 18. Most pizza pans or whatever are 16. The cardboard that was underneath it was also a 16. So this sucker hang over on that one. But anyway, we're going to put these on here. I love pepperoni. I don't know about you, but this thing right here is a really awesome tasting pizza. It's the those 5 cheeses. That's the idea of it. Alright, so we got the ZGrills up to, it said 402, and then I read it with my meter inside, and it said it was 500 and something, people. Of course, after I opened it up and checked it, it went back down to 385. So I'm going to do this as it comes back up, and I'll show you sliding her in. Yeah. Alright, she's up to 390. Can't get no more pizza in than that. Just to let you know, this is my second turn. Look at that baby. Let's kind of look at the underneath. That's the main part, isn't it? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is looking freaking fantastic. We did 3 minutes, 3 minutes. We're going to do 2-3 more minutes. It'll be 12, and then we'll look at it and see if we need to go a little bit longer. Alright, we're done. Look at that baby. Yeah. Let's look underneath it. Oh yeah. This sucker is awesome. Alright, I'll get this off. Let's go. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Look at that baby. Look at that. Look underneath it. Fantastic. This was a winner chicken dinner for Papa. Freaking awesome. I can feel that crust. It's a little too hot for me to eat right now. Let's cut this sucker up. This right here is a fantastic idea. I mean, so you can go buy you a frozen pizza and throw it in the oven, do whatever and all that kind of stuff. But whether it's the oven, the ZGrills, Blackstone, whatever you want to put it on, this freaking just buying and upgrading it. The 5 cheese pizza, and then add your own slices to it. Check that bottom out. Can you see it? It's not burnt. It's just charred. I mean, to a fantastic way. Feels fantastic. Look at that. Papa Texas cooking on the ZGrills. Making pizza. Yeah. I'm so excited about this. It smells fantastic. You know, I got videos coming up making other pizzas. I got a potato, bacon, barbecue pizza coming up, and a couple others. Some will be home scratch and some won't be. The ZGrills did an awesome job. You know, you want to stay tuned to Papa Texas and see more Papa's kitchen, don't ye? I know you do. I'm your outside next door neighbor, cooking outdoors with Papa. Papa, Texas. See ya.